So now that you hopefully understand a little bit of those basics, we're just going to cover a few of the things that you're actually going to need to be able to build and deploy your Manychat chatbot. So those things are really simple. You're going to need a Facebook profile. Hopefully you already have a Facebook profile. So you're going to need a Facebook profile. You're also going to need a Facebook page for your chatbot to live on. So chatbots live on Facebook business pages, not on personal profiles. You cannot deploy a chatbot to your personal profile. It has to be deployed to a Facebook page. So you're going to need a Facebook account. You are going to need a Facebook page. You're also going to need a Manychat account to build a Manychat chatbot. You can get those for free, or if you want to upgrade to the pro version, they start at just $10 a month. And then most likely to carry out a lot of the automations you're going to want to do in your chatbot, or to get data from outside of your chatbot externally, you're either going to want probably a Zapier account or an Integromat account. Both of those accounts are automation platforms that allow you easily, without any programming, to tie multiple applications together so that your chatbot can speak to all sorts of other different applications like your Google Calendar or Google Sheets or your CRM or your email marketing software. So just to go over again, you're going to need a Facebook profile. You're going to need a Facebook business page to deploy your chatbot to. You're obviously going to need a Manychat account. And then you're probably going to want some type of automation software like Zapier or Integromat. Manychat supports both of those platforms.